In this video, we are going to show how to grow sugarcane at the terrace garden. We collected these sugarcane shoots from our village. Today, we are going to plant them temporarily in this 8-inch pot. The soil mixture of the pot contains 50% garden soil, 30% compost and 20% sand. We are planting the shoots vertically. But if you want, you can plant them horizontally also. Now I will add water fully and keep the plants under partial shade. This is after 18 days. New shoots are formed. After 43 days, the shoots are grown larger. Today, we will transfer them to the final pot. First, we will prepare the soil mixture. We are using a mixture of 50% garden soil, 30% compost and 20% sand. It is the month of August. The rainy season has started in India. Thus, we will also add some fungicide to the soil to protect the plants from fungal attack. This plastic container will be used for final potting. Now it's the time to transfer the plants into the container. The base of the plants is being covered with soil. Gently press the soil and add water. Right now, the container is not being fully filled. As the plants grow larger, we will keep adding more soil. After 58 days, the plants have settled in the new soil. After 114 days, the stalks of the sugarcanes have grown larger. Today, we will take care of the plants. First, the stalks will be bound together by wrapping them up with the leaves. This will help them to stay strong against the wind. Now the dead leaves will be removed. You need to do these two things frequently. This will keep your sugarcane plants healthy and growing. Always keep the base area of your plants clean. This will allow sunlight to reach the soil and prevent the fungal attack. Now, the amount of soil in the pot will be increased. For this, we are using the mixture of the same amount of garden soil, cow dung compost and sand. We are also adding a little amount of fungicide to prevent any fungal attack. It is strongly recommended, especially when you are adding compost during the rainy season. First, we need to dig the topsoil a little and then add the soil. Now adding water fully. This is after 132 days. The plants have grown larger. Today, the old leaves will be removed once again. Sugarcane needs a lot of sunlight to grow healthy. These plants are getting direct sunlight almost for the whole day. Now we will again bind the stalks with the leaves. After 156 days. Today we will again do the same thing and boost the soil once again with the same soil mixture used before. If your plants become too long, you can provide support to the stalks. This is after 169 days. The sugarcanes are now mature enough. Today, we are going to get the first harvest. After 297 days, the plants have grown larger. New stalks are produced. These baby plants will grow to larger sugarcane stalks. Today, we are going to get the second harvest. This top part can be planted in the soil. It will form a whole new plant. Today, we will boost the soil once again. This is after 338 days. The basket is almost full of new plants. Let's talk about the water requirement now. Sugarcane needs a decent amount of water. You should water them when the topsoil becomes dry. Today, we will collect all the old stalks. These are the sugarcane grown on my terrace garden in 100% organic way. There was no need to add any chemical fertilizer or insecticide on these plants. It is sweet and it does not seem that it is grown in a small container. The story is not over yet. Now we have to take care of the remaining plants so that they can grow healthy. This soil is full of old roots and there is very little nutrition left. We have to restore the fertility of the soil. For that, we will dig some soil out from the edge of the container. This will also remove some extra roots. The soil mixture that we are using now contains 50% sandy soil and 50% vermicompost. We will also add some neem cake dust and hornmeal. Fill the container with the soil and add water. Each time when the plants become mature, we need to do the same thing after the full harvest. In this way, you can get sugarcane from your own terrace garden throughout the whole year. After 358 days, see how fast the plants responded after changing the soil. We did not find any insect attack or did not face difficulty with any disease. We did not add any extra fertilizers, only use the cow dung compost and vermicompost at the time of plantation and boosting the soil, as you have already seen till now. We have reached the end of this video. So as you have seen, it is quite easy to grow such lovely sugarcane plants on the terrace garden. Above all, it is completely insecticide or pesticide free. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. This will really help my channel to grow. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Have a nice day.